Well, June 2nd, it's Monday. The boys were out at the racetrack today. First track day I've scheduled that I've missed in, man, I can't tell you how long. It's been 25, 30 years, right? I mean, usually if I set them up, I go. I picked the dates for this year, but as you can see, we got our hands full here, and we want to go to Mid-Ohio, and we've already spent the pre-entered and spent the money. So getting out to Grattan wasn't in the cards. Larry Rumsey wanted me to go out and take his 125 shifter lay down for a ride. He put new brakes and stuff on it to shake it down and all that kind of thing, but just couldn't do it. Couldn't get away, man. Ran out of screws. The torque screws, when I took all the screws I took out of the boards we took out, I put back in here because I ran out of screws. And instead of getting in the truck and going to get screws, I could have sworn we had enough. I bought 200 and used those exclusively for a while here, but when I bought the wood today, I went back out and got 10 footers instead of getting 20 footers. Got 10 footers, and we're gonna, have seams in the middle, and that way we just screw them down, and we just, draw a line, saw cut, and we're done. Tomorrow we'll actually be painting. I'm gonna clean this thing up as best I can, and we're gonna put paint on this because Wednesday. Today's Monday. Wednesday we're gonna get rain, and I don't want this. Although it's womanized wood or treated wood or whatever. We have a problem back here. You see this green stuff, right? The moss, the green grunkus, right? This whole area, I was the first 5, 6 boards. You see there's Sherry's are just cleaned it up. It gets on our siding. It gets on the wood here. You can still see a little bit of it, remnants of it there. All this white stuff is the soap, or the water, I'm sorry. The water she pumped out of that hand pump. The salty water, that's the salt. But so this stuff gets green, and we don't want it getting rain wet and then it being wet underneath, and we put paint on and all that. While it's dry, we're going to put the paint on it tomorrow. So I'm going to get up first thing in the morning, run down the road, it's 3 miles down the road, to the lumberjack store and get us some number 9 2.5-inch long decking screws. We'll screw this stuff down. We'll snap a couple lines. We'll saw the ends off. And then again, I'm going to put a wire brush on the end of a pole, and I'm going to give it a once over. There really isn't a lot of it that's flaking up. There's a little of it here. But we're just going to wire brush it as best we can and get any real loose stuff off. And then we're just going to start loading it with paint. Hoping to get 2 full coats on it, and then let the sun, because it's going to be sunny tomorrow, and let the sun just bake on it. And yeah, that'll be phase 4. So this is phase 3. I cut all the grass today, all of it. It's like a golf course out here. I like it nice and short, right on down. As you can see, we got it all cut. Side 40 and all. I just did circles around that big tree in the other lawn over there, man. It's flat to the floor, man. Boom, 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 boom. I had the back brace on. I knew I was going to be hurting. But I'm already hurting, so what's the difference? Yeah, tomorrow will be the last day of having to squat to put screws in. It's only 3.5 boards, 2.5 boards, whatever. Should be a piece of cake, right? So we'll get this done. And then Wednesday when it rains, we'll take the day off and actually wash clothes, because Monday, today is our clothes washing day. I got my other light blinking at me here. There we go, shut off. No, it's, I don't know what that is. It's like internet or something. The blue light that's on the front of there that blinks. Anyways, so that's it. That's what we got for you. A little 5-minute video. The bugs are mad because I've destroyed their habitat. You pull these boards up, man, the mosquitoes come out and all kinds of bugs. We got these big fat bumblebees flying around. They're going in and out of holes in the wood. I didn't know big fat bumblebees lived in wood. But you gotta watch where he's going, Sherry. He's freaked out about these bumblebees. But those things only live for a couple of days, man, and then they're dead. So they don't live very long. So there you go. That's phase 3 in the can. If we had screws, we'd finish this up before dark. But I'm not going out and about, man. My back is killing me. Legs feel pretty good, actually. The back is sore from bouncing around on that mower today, even though I had the back brace on. But we'll be ready for Mid-Ohio. We'll be in good shape for Mid-Ohio with a week of nothing to do but work on the go-kart. We should be okay. What do you think, y'all? It's coming together. Once we get everything painted up and all the furniture and stuff back up here, we get the pool open. Y'all gonna have to come out, hang out, go for a dip. Come on out and have a 00 beer with me. Wow, the bumblebees are after me. I'm allergic. I don't know if those big ones sting or not, but I don't want to find out. Godspeed, God bless. Hang in there, y'all. We're praying for you. It took way longer than I thought it was going to. But we did it ourselves. And that's how we roll. See y'all.